covered while following the laws. In the US, the rule is that one can drive up to 11 hours over an overall period of 14 hours and then must rest for 10 hours. Assuming an average speed of 60 miles per hour, that means a truck can essentially travel 660 miles per day. Therefore, a cross-country trip from Los Angeles to New York would take about 4.5 days. The drivers themselves are paid per mile, so all they want to do is maximize their speed during the 11 hours of daily driving time. The consumer, though, whoever's paying for the transport of the product in the back, cares about how fast it gets to them overall. Therefore, truckers have devised a system to move freight faster. The rules just say that drivers have to rest for 10 hours in their cab. It doesn't say that the trucks have to be stationary. Drivers will therefore team up so that while one drives, the other sleeps, and vice versa. A team of drivers, which is often made up of a married couple, can therefore drive 22 hours per day, covering 1,320 miles. That means that they could make the Los Angeles to New York trip in just 2 days. Consumers will pay a premium for the speed, and therefore trucking companies will pay more per mile. In addition, having less stops time means that the truck, which costs quite a lot, is being used more efficiently. This team system is all around a win for everyone, assuming one can find a pair of people that will tolerate spending their lives cooped up in a truck cab together. Truckers almost certainly are a dying breed, though. The future of freight transport will undoubtedly center around self-driving trucks, and the technology for these is very close to ready for prime time. Right now, multiple companies are at the point where their trucks are traveling autonomously with drivers behind the wheel to intervene if needed. These are essentially autopilot systems, similar to Tesla's, that aid the driver and reduce fatigue. Soon though, with more proven technology and legal authority to do so, this will likely advance to autonomous convoys. In this system, one driver would sit behind the wheel of a lead truck, which might also drive autonomously, and then a series of autonomous humanless trucks would follow behind. This way, there is still a human that can assist with mechanical issues or unforeseen road conditions, but the freight-to-driver ratio increases dramatically. This will, of course, reduce the number of truckers needed, but then, after this phase, the industry will undoubtedly advance to fully autonomous trucks. At first, this will